the Advancing Energy Podcast, featuring topics and trends on precision power conversion, measurement, and control solutions.
Hi, welcome back to the Advancing Energy Podcast. I'm Sarah Williams, Lead Applications Engineer in the Global Services Organization here at Advanced Energy. And today I have Lauren Kennedy, who is Senior Manager of Global Services. And we'd like to talk more about the Global Services Organization and how we help customers, and also some exciting new offerings from the team. Hi, Lauren.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Sure. So as mentioned, I'm Lauren Kennedy, Senior Engineering Manager in our Global Services Organization here at Advanced Energy. I've been at AE for about 9 years, and my background is in electrical engineering, product development, and product management. Today, I lead teams that are focused on aftermarket solutions to help customers really extend the life of their legacy tools and improve performance.
Great. So since today's topic is global services, then the first question is, can you tell us more about global services?
Sure. So AE's Global Service Organization is made up of over 300 employees across 15 global service sites. But actually, we also have a dedicated engineering team here in Fort Collins that's focused on designing these aftermarket solutions to really help our customers manage their tools throughout the entire product lifecycle.
So most people think global service is about repairs, and we know that's not true. Can you describe some of the customer solutions that global services offers?
Yeah, so you're right. It's a common misconception that AE Global Service is just focused on repairs. Actually, our core mission is really to support the customer throughout the entire product lifecycle. So we have a lot of offerings that help maximize system performance and return on investment, like refurbishments, conversions, upgrades, and even custom retrofits that are designed specifically for the customer needs. Our engineering team is also focused on new product development. So whether it's a new product or something that's been in the fab for a long time, we probably have a solution to help improve performance and maintain that tool for longer.
So talking about solutions, what kind of solutions do we offer, or what kind of customer requests do we see?
Sure, yeah. So one of the biggest concerns from customers is obsolescence, especially of these aging legacy tools where spares may no longer be available for purchase or where they're becoming increasingly hard to repair. Our team specializes in developing niche custom solutions to address these gaps and keep critical tools running longer. No engagement is too small for us or too complex. We strive to help customers improve uptime, extend tool life, and maintain operational continuity.
So why would a customer choose AE for the aftermarket solutions?
Customers come to us because of our deep domain expertise and our reputation for high quality repairs. We always use AE qualified components in our repairs, and we test to our proprietary test software and on our test equipment so that the units always ship out in the exact same condition as a new unit, and they meet all of our performance and quality standards. Customer satisfaction is really important to us, and it means a lot that customers come back to us over and over for their repair needs.
And we talk about new product development. Can you tell us more about some newer offerings from Global Services?
Yeah, so one of our most exciting recent introductions was the Omni RF Diagnostic Cart, which debuted last year at SEMICON Korea last February. This solution was designed to optimize RF power delivery by providing highly accurate calibration and diagnostics. It combines the TGUM 5540A power meter with Power Insight connectivity to deliver accurate, repeatable RF measurements.
And what kind of benefits does Omni offer to the customer?
So the TGUM power meter is unique in that it has 6 calibrated frequencies and it has fewer calibration cycles, making it more versatile and less expensive to maintain. While Power Insight offers real-time data monitoring and historical trending for faster root cause identification of problems in the field.
I look forward to future opportunities for the team for this product. Are there any other products you'd like to tell us about?
So the other product that we launched in Global Service last year was the Opti Power Rack. This is an RF power delivery solution designed specifically for 200 millimeter semiconductor fabs that are running legacy HDP CVD tools. The Opti Power Rack integrates high efficiency AE RF generators with modern communication protocols in a flexible rack configuration to match legacy tool footprints. This product also utilizes Power Insight for its HMI and data additional data monitoring capabilities. All in all, it offers a modernization path that helps fabs extend the life of aging platforms without major tool redesign.
So you mentioned Power Insight. Can you tell us more about Power Insight and how it helps with troubleshooting?
Yeah, so I won't say too much here about Power Insight. We're actually going to go into it in a future podcast, so stay tuned for that. But Power Insight is a comprehensive data collection and analytics tool that enables things like timestamp faults and warnings, internal sensor measurements, and high-resolution event capture, which allows the customer to really see what's happening in their system. This, combined with Power Insight's historical data logging, helps customers with faster root cause analysis and the ability to track trends for predictive maintenance.
Okay. So if a customer is interested in any of these solutions that we offer, what's the best way to get in contact with us?
So if you're already familiar with AE, we recommend reaching out to your local repair center and your local customer service representatives. We also have field applications engineers and field service engineers at each regional site that can come on site and do consultations or troubleshooting. If you're new to AE, I recommend checking out our website. We do have information on how to contact us, where you can find a service center, and more information about all the products and services that we discussed today.
Great. Well, thanks, Lauren. Thanks for telling us more about Global Services. That's unfortunately all the time that we have today. I enjoyed our conversation and hope that the listeners learned more about Global Services. Thank you all for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes of the Advancing Energy podcast, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for joining us for this episode of the Advancing Energy podcast. Be sure to subscribe.